Zara.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm great. Thank you.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Louisiana.
Are you married?
I'm not married.
What do you do?
I am an English teacher.
Are you a foodie?
I am a huge foodie, yes.
Are you a lazy person?
Sometimes I can be.
Do you have any siblings?
I have one sister and one younger brother.
Are you friendly?
I'm very friendly.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies include eating food and spending time with my friends and family.
Do you like to listen to music?
I love to listen to music.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Twice, but I almost fell off.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Do you like to wear makeup?
Yes, I like to wear makeup.
When was the last time you cried?
The last time I cried was maybe 6 months ago.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I have not eaten breakfast.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 7 a.m.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you have many regrets?
I wouldn't say so. No.
What sports can you play?
I can play soccer, field hockey, swimming, tennis, and badminton.
Do you feel uncomfortable now?
I don't.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 9:30 p.m.
Describe your clothing style in one word.
Inconstant.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
What was your major in university?
I studied teaching, early childhood education.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 4 languages.
Can you cook?
Yes, I'm a very good cook.
What are you doing now?
Now, I am having a conversation with you.
What are you going to do tonight?
I will be meeting up with some friends.
What did you do last night?
Last night, I watched a movie.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will meet up with my best friend.
Could you lend me $50?
No, I don't even have $50 for myself.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Are you tired?
Not really.
Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry.
Are you a clean or messy person?
I think it depends on the day. Mostly clean.
Do you have a temper?
I don't have a temper.
Is it okay for men to cry?
Yes, but not always.
What's your nickname?
Zara.
What's the best way to study English?
Practice, practice, practice.